I met this girl, she's so fine, I wish I could call her mine. It's just a matter of time until I find my way. I've got my handsome good looks, I even know how to cook. My heart you already took, I will find my way. Your hair is flowing, short skirt, legs are showing. Give me a chance and before you know it, you'll be falling for me, baby!
Hi, my name's Rolanda. You're such a hottie. Can I kiss you? I want your body.
Ew, you're so ugly. You're gross and smelly.
Can I kiss you? I want your body. Why?